Jesse knows all about taking care of himself and his home. But what about when he's not at home? Jesse wants to learn how to play with others and make new friends. But Jesse can get nervous around people he doesn't know. Sometimes it can be scary to be in a new place, surrounded by new people. Even if an adult is there with you, it can be hard to find someone to play with. Some people are better at doing this than others. Either way, following these steps can help you out. Ready? First, find a potential friend. Look for someone around your age. It's important to make sure it's a kid. If an adult you don't know approaches you, find an adult you know right away. Next, introduce yourself. You could just say, "Hi, my name is," and say your name. Usually, the other person will tell you their name too, but if they don't, you can ask by saying, "What's your name?"
Hi, my name is Jesse.
Hi, my name is Caroline.
Then, ask your new friend if they'd like to play. You can suggest a game or activity you like, or ask them if they have a certain game or activity they'd like to do.
Would you like to play tag?
Sure.
Finally, learn more about your new friend. You could ask what they like to do for fun, what their favorite book or TV show is, or where they go to school. If you really hit it off, ask your adult and their adult to exchange contact information so you can see them again. It's important to only share personal information like this between adults.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play basketball.
Okay, here are those steps one more time. First, find a potential friend. Next, introduce yourself. Then, ask your new friend if they'd like to play. Finally, learn more about your new friend. Okay, it looks like Jesse made a new friend. Jesse earned his super friendly badge. You can try to make some friends and earn your badge too. See you later, friends.